Just slightly cooler on Friday and Saturday. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on KCBS.
KCBS, in partnership with UCSF Health, presents As Prescribed, a weekly conversation with leading medical experts from UCSF Medical Center and UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital. Hear from the experts, recognized worldwide for innovations in patient care, the latest medical knowledge, and pioneering research. As Prescribed, every Thursday at 1:30 on KCBS 740 AM and 106.9 FM, and streaming on the Odyssey app.
I can create a future that I look forward to.
I can get where I was meant to go.
I can transfer to a 4-year university.
When you pursue an associate degree for transfer at a California community college, you're on a guaranteed safe spot at a 4-year university.
With an associate degree for transfer, I can do this.
Classes can fill up quickly, so enroll today at icangotocollege.com.
Replacing your windows and doors can be life-changing, inspiring you to live a healthy, happy life. And it's never been easier. Marvin Windows and Doors bring in daylight and fresh air, blending the indoors with the outdoors, so you're always connected to. They're designed for life, with an inspiring range of options to create the look you want and the lasting quality you need. Your local independent Marvin dealer will give you straight answers and advice about window and door replacement. Our Marvin specialists help you plan your project and select the right products for your needs. You'll always know what you're getting with a detailed proposal to make the whole process easier. If you're ready to transform your space with windows and doors you love, schedule your free consultation today at replacementmadeeasy.com. That's replacementmadeeasy.com.
We're all on this planet together, so join Odyssey and find your one thing. Summer items like garden hoses, pool toys, and lawn chairs are not recyclable and best donated to charity. Join Odyssey. Together, each of us doing one thing makes a greener tomorrow. What's your one thing?
KCBS News Time 11:11. Contra Costa County residents who are at high risk for monkeypox can now schedule a vaccine appointment online. The county health department says eligible residents previously had to submit a request form for a vax appointment, which then put them on a waiting list. But there's a new supply of monkeypox vaccines, so appointments have opened up without a waiting list. Doses remain limited. The county is prioritizing those who are at highest risk. Well, even though monkeypox is spreading primarily through sexual contact in this current outbreak, it's not simply an STD. KCBS's Melissa Koros tells us a case seen by doctors at Stanford serves as a reminder that the virus can spread in other ways.
Researchers have known for a long time that monkeypox isn't just spread through sex among gay and bisexual men, even though that's mostly what's happening this time. Dr. Abrar Karan is an infectious disease specialist at Stanford.
Before the big outbreak here that we're dealing with, monkeypox transmission happened amongst kids. It happened in women and people in heterosexual networks because it's skin-to-skin contact, it's exposure to lesions.
Karan says a man who recently was treated for monkeypox at Stanford hadn't had any sexual contact before contracting the disease, but had traveled to the UK at a large festival. The doctor says while this is a good reminder that monkeypox isn't specifically an STD, nobody needs to panic.
The big picture here is that it's just one case, and this is not commonly how it's been spreading here in this outbreak.
He does note that the short supply of monkeypox vaccine continues to be a worldwide problem.
This is the vaccine inequity issue that we saw even with SARS-CoV-2, which is that, we'll have ongoing transmission in other countries, other continents, so that it's very hard to control. We can continue to import cases even if this is controlled here in the U.S.
So people should stay aware of the risk. Melissa Koros, KCBS.
Oakland police have located 13-year-old Daisy Lancaster, who disappeared Saturday in Alameda. Police did not release details about where she was found, but say that she is safe. Meanwhile, officials are still searching for a missing 16-year-old in Placer County. Kylie Rodney reported missing after leaving a party in the Tahoe area
That's 844-94-NERVE. Call now. Call 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again.
It's not easy being the one everyone counts on to keep the facility running, no matter the weather or supply chain hiccups. But we get you, Raymond in Buffalo, and Maria in Miami, Jules in Minneapolis, and Stan in Central Indiana, taking control of everything that's under your control. At Grainger, we're here for you. Experienced branch staff in over 250 locations, you get the product you're looking for. Call clickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done. You know what a booster shot can be like? Charging a cell phone. Just like a cell phone charger helps restore your battery, a booster is given after a primary series vaccination to enhance or restore protection against COVID-19, which wanes over time. Boosters are recommended for people 5 years and older. Schedule a booster appointment as soon as eligible. You can even make the appointment on your phone, as long as it's charged. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm David Welch in San Francisco, where Starbucks is the first in the to vote to unionize.
It's 11:15. The Giants' 5-game win streak came to an end tonight. 3-2 loss to Arizona. The D-backs came from behind to win that game. And Sean Murphy had his second two-homer game, and rookie Jay Langelier hit his first major league home run in the second game with Oakland as the A's beat Johnson's 2022-23 schedule. First, King James. He signed a 2-year contract extension worth, are you ready, $97.1 million. Now, playing out the extension, LeBron will make north of $500 million just on the court. None of the production stuff, none of the endorsement. He will become the richest man in on-court earnings in NBA history. Congratulations, LeBron. And the NBA schedule, it tips off with, you guessed it, the Lakers and the Warriors. It all starts October 18th at Chase Center. Now, here's some of the highlights on the schedule that I really like. On Monday, November 7th, all 30 teams will play the day before the election day and encourage fans to make a plan to vote. No games have been scheduled for election day on Tuesday, November 8th. Also, NBA Rival Week. I really like this one. Teams and players will be highlighted in NBA Rival Week during the week of January. Will feature 11 nationally televised games across 4 networks over 5 days, from Tuesday, January 24th through Saturday, January 28th. And you guessed it, the State Warriors are in that mix. Their rival game against the Memphis Grizzlies. You know it's going to be a good one. From the sports desk, Victor Zaragoza, KCBS.
Feeling especially happy about their rides right now? Ask anyone who owns a Honda. In times like this, you need good gas mileage. This car, it has it.
Gas mileage is amazing.
The gas mileage is what's so great. America's most fuel-efficient Hondas are arriving daily. See your NorCal Honda dealer today.
Fuel efficiency based on 2021 EPA estimate of model year 2020 large full-line automaker fleet life fuel economy.
Ask anyone who owns a Honda or visit NorCalHondaDealers.com.
Hey, A's fans, we've got a great deal for you. Get 4 tickets and parking for all Friday night games. $9. Pick from great matchups, post-game fireworks, drone shows, giveaways, and more. Grab the crew and head to the Coliseum with friends and family any night this season. 4 tickets and parking starting at just $39 for the whole group. Tickets are available at athletics.com. That's athletics.com.
It's 11:18 at KCBS. Traffic and weather together. Here's Carolyn Burns.
And you might still be seeing some activity in that Castro Valley area. Traffic is being brought to you by Ace and Box Restaurant. Earlier on westbound 580, just before Eden Canyon Road, CHP of a 3-car crash. They were all up on the right-hand shoulder, and one of them ended up on the embankment on the hillside there. At the moment, though, it does look like traffic is getting by with no problems. And if you do happen to see something there and can update us, give us a call at 415-391-KCBS. Also in the Vallejo area, it looks like they're setting up road work on westbound 80 between Highway 37 and Redwood Street. 2 left lanes might be shut down. We are seeing a stretch of sluggish traffic there. Also,
on 80 eastbound, the Tennessee Street on-ramp is now shut down. Asian Box creates an exciting, customizable catering experience for everyone. Fresh food that is authentic and tastes great. Nothing is better than Asian Box. Order catering for your next event by visiting AsianBox.com. Your next traffic update's at 11:28 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Bay Area weather with mostly sunny skies tomorrow after morning fog and overcast. Looks like the cloud cover will be gone by tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon. There's still a threat of a thunderstorm overnight here, but that should all be gone by morning. Temperatures tomorrow, 60s to the mid-90s. No real changes on Friday and Saturday, maybe only sunnier and less cloudy. Sunday through Tuesday, just a slight cool down, topping out in the upper 80s and low 90s. Otherwise, continued sunny weather around the bay and inland with fog nights and mornings at the coast. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News.
Emergency resulting in power loss can happen at any time. If you rely on power for basic life functions, the time is now to prepare. Visit disabilitydisasteraccess.org or call 211 for assistance.
Find what you love at the Miele Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill. Select the built-in kitchen appliance package that is right for you, and for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with the purchase of a qualifying Miele appliance package. Visit Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at friedmansappliance.com.
It's 11:20. I'm John Evans. Good evening. And workers at a San Francisco Starbucks have voted to unionize. Yesterday's vote makes the Castro District Coffee House the first in the city to do so. KCBS's David Welch.
Unions within the Seattle chain's locations are popping up all over the country. San Francisco's Castro location is the 15th to vote in favor of a union in California. James Christ helped organize the vote here.
It feels great. It feels really, really good to be like the first store in San Francisco. Putting the Castro kind of on the map first is just kind of a big honor for us.
He points to a 4-month closure during the heart of the pandemic as the main catalyst towards organizing the union. During that time, employees here say they didn't feel supported by their corporate owners. That opened their eyes to the overall benefits of forming a union.
Stuff like workers' protections, livable wages, and we really just want to be able to work shoulder to shoulder with our leaders instead of having this top to bottom leadership.
Now that they've voted, their next step is fully certified. That's expected to happen this week. From there, Price says they'll start the lengthy process of negotiating with the company.
Between pushback and everything, it's taking around like a year is what it's looking like, but we will be beginning that process shortly.
David Welch, KCBS.
An LA Rams fan pleaded not guilty today in the case of battery on a 49er fan in Los Angeles. Here is Emily Valdez.
Brian C. Rudy Ambrosio Rodriguez tells KNX it was self-defense.
My client was pushed first. He was the only Rams fan in a group of Niners fans, about 30 of them.
Happened in January in the tailgating lot. Police say the intoxicated 49ers fan pushed Cifuentes, who pushed and who fell backwards, hitting his head and going into a coma for 2 months.
A person has a right to self-defense, which means that the DA not only has to prove that my client did it, beyond a reasonable doubt, but he also proved beyond a reasonable doubt that it was not in self-defense.
Rodriguez says he still needs to interview the many witnesses and look at the security video of the altercation. Emily Valdez, KCBS.
The National Park Service is finally getting around to replacing a Muir Woods footbridge in Marin County that washed out by a winter storm 40 years ago. KCBS's Jeffrey Shaw reports, better late than never.
It sits just a stone's throw from the Muir Woods parking lot.
Now we're getting to some steps, and you can see the famous plank.
There it is.
There it is.
Barely 3 feet wide and 30 feet long, the plank rests over a creek. Mia Monroe is a National Park Service ranger.
We're here in August when the creek is very low, but all it takes is a big storm for the creek to quickly rise.
And that's exactly what happened during the historic winter storm of 1982. The plank is part of the Dipsy Trail, which plays host to the Dipsy Foot. It's going to be replaced with a real bridge again, but why so long?
It starts with finding the funds. It then means doing all the behind the scenes. Where should it go? How long should it?
Plank's replacement is part of a major renovation of park facilities, including construction of 4 other bridges with the new Park Welcome Center. At Muir Woods, Jeffrey Schaub, KCBS.
KCBS News Time, 11:25. Here's your Money Watch update.
Wall Street snapped a four-day winning streak after minutes from the Fed's July meeting failed to ease investors' interest rate fears. The Dow lost 172, the S&P fell 31, the Nasdaq dropped 164. Mark your calendar. Apple plans to hold a launch on June 14. It'll kick off a busy fall product. iPads and watches. Even Amazon wants to be a little like TikTok. Wall Street Journal reports Amazon is testing a feature in its app that shows users a TikTok-style feed that would let shoppers show off products sold on Amazon with other users. Blood disorder called beta thalassemia may have a chance for a lifetime free of regular transfusions. The FDA has approved a one-time therapy from Lombard priced at $2.8 million. Insurers could get a refund if it doesn't work. Larry Kofsky, Bloomberg Business for KCBS.
You've been in an accident? If so, Chilton Auto Body is here to help. Chilton Auto Body has served our community for more than 50 years, and we're also the first Tesla certified body shop. Chilton Auto Body is 15 convenient bays, pre-accident condition, and we make it easy for you in your time of need. Chilton Auto Body is also actively hiring for all positions, including managers, repair planners, and body technicians. Come join our growing team and start your new career today at Chilton Auto Body, the Bay Area's leader in...
Been hurt in a car wreck? Get the help you need right now. Hi, I'm attorney Tristan Johan Group, and I'm here to help you get the money you deserve.
Hi, I'm Cindy Adams. I called Tristan Group, and he settled my case. If you've been hurt in a car wreck, call the Group Law Office now. Your strongest advocate against insurance attorneys. Call 510-556-4013. God, they diesel truck is driving out of control.
Been hurt in a accident? Get paid. Get the money you deserve. Call attorney Tristan Group, founder of the Group Law Office, the Bay Area's #1 rated motor vehicle personal injury attorney. Diesel trucks, cars, motorcycles. Call 510-556-4013. JAGROOP law.com.
For Labor Day savings, Envision Toyota of Milpitas is the right decision. Now during their Labor Day sales event going on now, you can get as low as 1.9% APR financing on select new Toyotas, including Corollas and Camrys, RAV4s and Tacomas, or get 3.99% APR financing on pre-owned certified Toyotas. Plus, we make it easy to save even more with no money down on approved credit when you buy any new Toyota. Shop online anytime at EnvisionToyotaofMilpitas.com or with the 880 freeway in the Great Mall Parkway meet. Call 855-973-2594 for details. Right decision is Envision Honda of Milpitas. With over 300 new cars arriving soon, reserve yours today. Now get 1.9% financing on a new 2022 Honda Passport or Pilot, or get a 2.9% financing on select new 2022 Honda models, including our most popular vehicles, Civic, Accord, CR-V, including hybrids. For the best Labor Day deals, it's Envision Honda of Milpitas. Call 855-996-2274 for details.
KCBS News Time, 11:28. Here's Carolyn with traffic.
Out at right around the Altamont Pass, where right now it looks like we do have some road work that has kicked in from right around Greenville Road, and it continues until right around North Flynn Road. You do have 3 left lanes. This is 580 in the eastbound direction that are shut down. At the moment, just a slight backup as you lead to that closure. And to put some road work in place right there, 580 at the 205 junction, that flyover there, because we are seeing a bit of slow traffic as you make your way onto westbound 580. Your traffic update is at 11:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Cloudy overnight, foggy overnight. Tomorrow, sunny though.